The best computer case fan will keep even the most intense gaming rig cool. PC builders often leave the fans out when considering components. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. Corsair LL Series LL120 RGB 120mm dual light. These fans provide everything that you could want in a PC fan. Ranging from the ability to control the airflow to the incredible patterned LED lights, these fans are high-powered and produce great results for any user. If you need more airflow, the answer is simply to increase the RPMs. If you want a fan that adds a creative flair to your space without sacrificing the need for quality airflow, this is a great fan for you to add to your setup. These fans may become a permanent part of my setup, due to their quality and ability to handle whatever is thrown at them. If you're looking for a set of quality RGB fans but don't want to risk quality for color, this is the fan you need for your build. Number 2. Arctic P12 PWM PST 120mm case fan. This fan is incredibly reliable for providing quiet, full air to your systems. I installed this set of fans in my build and kept that set up in my bedroom, and because of the quality of the fan and the way they are developed and aligned, they were absolutely silent. If you need a fan that can perform at high levels, for gaming, for old computers, for large setups with intense CPUs or radiators, then this fan is a great fit for your setup. They are also very cheap compared to other fans that run at similar speeds and at even more sound. Number 3. ABKONCORE SP120 RGB fans. These are some gorgeous fans. The unique spider shape is stylish, and the LED RGB light additions to the fan make these an almost glamorous addition to your setup. The frame itself can be controlled by means of color, speed, and color effect with one simple remote, giving you total control over your build. These fans run so quietly not just because of the bearing. The kit they come in includes an anti-vibration pad. This not only decreases the level of noise you may hear from the fan, but increases the life of your build because of the lack of wobble and friction. Especially for their look and color, and you cannot beat the price point for what you receive. Number 4. Noctua NF-A12X25 PWM Premium Quiet Fan. It's not necessarily the best value fan, but its combo of low noise, high performance, and premium packaging means it's an excellent buy if it fits your budget. The NF-A12 is an all-rounder fan that excels at both airflow and static pressure, with 60.1 CFM and 2.34mm H2O respectively. The NF-A12 will do a good job no matter where you put it, whether as an exhaust fan or as an intake drawing cool air through a restrictive dust filter or radiator. There are a small handful of 120mm fans that push more air than the Noctua, but none of them can compete when it comes to noise. Number 5. Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3 120mm PWM. Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3 120mm PWM fans live up to the company's name, offering ultra-quiet operation without any significant sacrifices in cooling performance. The Silent Wings 3 120mm fans push air at 50.5 CFM and generate 1.79mm H2O of static pressure at a relatively low 1450 RPM. You may notice that the Silent Wings 3's fan blades have a unique ridged surface, which Be Quiet claims helps reduce noise alongside the lower maximum RPM. Thanks for watching, like, comment and share.